Hey guys, welcome to the podcast episode 332. This will be about the Texas Chainsaw Massacre in the beginning. This will be about in 1939, a woman died while giving birth in a southern house in Texas. And the supervisor burned the baby in a dumpster. When young Mr. May found the child, she takes him back to the red resident named him Thomas and raises him as her own son. 30 years later, Thomas works in the same house under the same supervisor who left him in the dumpster when the plant is shut down by the health department. He refused to leave until the supervisor makes him Thomas kill the supervisor with a hammer and finds a chainsaw, and he takes with him himself with an attempt to arrest him with his main son. Charlie was killed and missing his daddy. Meanwhile, brother Eric and Dean are driving across the country of their girlfriends, Gracie and Betty, to sit in the Russian War, and in Donna, they run into a biker gang, one who follows them on her motorcycle. She draws a shotgun and orders the group to pull over. In the recent chaos, the car crashes, and Chrissy is thrown into the field. When Chrissy arrives and kills the biker and makes them put her body in his car, he then calls for Uncle Moody to throw the jeep, where Chrissy is hiding in, and drives the group to her house, where he has Thomas Bishop, the biker's body. Chrissy runs to the highway, then flags down, holding the biker's boyfriend. They return to the house together, hold total sting after finding out that he was going to video a Victoria World Draft. When Izzy leaves, Eric breaks free from his material and gets Dean to safety before sinking into the house to free Betty. Betty escapes in motor truck, but Thomas stabs her regular meat hook and drops her back to the house. Dean gets caught in a bear trap, and Izzy knocks Eric consciousness. Holden and Chrissy part away to search for their friend, while Chrissy finds Dean. Holden takes note hostage. Thomas straps Eric to the wooden table and rushes off in both his arms, calls out to Thomas for help. And Thomas kills Holden in a chainsaw. Chrissy finds Eric in the basement, but is unable to free him and hides when Thomas returns. Thomas kills Eric with the chainsaw and skins his face and wears a mask. Chrissy is about to free when she hears Betty scream. When the skin, hair, face, and the wheels of the mask, Chrissy If about furiously hears Betty scream and decides to save her upstairs, but isn't catches her and brings her downstairs for dinner. With Betty on a sniffing white face, sits Betty grow and tries to take Chrissy to the basement, but she stabs him in the back and a screwdriver and taps out the other window. Then regains on consciousness and suddenly beat her before heading off to find Chrissy. Chrissy enters the inside house, grabs a knife, and cuts Rodney's face. But he overpowers her during an interview, but Rodney kills him during a chainsaw. Chrissy escapes the inside house, supervises car, and drives off. She sees state trooper and pulled over. Possession by X, she pulls over Rodriguez pills in the back seat and they repairs her in a chainsaw, causing the car to lose control and kill both the trooper and within the Rodriguez. Walks the regular work back to the house. Alright guys, this episode, alright, that's it. Bye.